Let me show you how you can grow your business with Pabbly Chatflow. So right here you can see that I'm on my WhatsApp where I have made a chat with this WhatsApp number saved as test number, and right here I'm getting automated replies. So as I have entered this message, you can see that I'm getting all these automated messages, and here my user has provided all its details, and afterwards my user has entered its query, and right here we are getting the response according to my user's question, and this data provided by my user is getting saved over the Google Sheet. And right here you can check out that this is the data which is provided by my user, you can see here, and it is saved over the Google Sheet, and my team is getting a notification regarding this particular lead which I have just received. And here you can check out all the same details selected or filled by my user over my WhatsApp. So you can see that this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is helping my business to automatically reply to customers, resolve their queries, save their data, and even this automation is notifying my team regarding this particular lead. So now let me show you how this is working. So here I'm going to clear my previous chat, and here I'm going to start a new fresh chat, and here I'm going to enter this message that is hello, and our WhatsApp chatbot will be initiated. So as I have entered this message, I'm getting this welcome message with this button that is explore services which I'm going to select. And as I've selected this button, I'm getting the list of the services. So right here I'm going to select this first service called social media marketing. And as I've selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my name. So here I'm going to enter my name as test user. And as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my business name. So here I'm going to enter my business name as Pabbly, and as I have provided it, I'm getting this message which is asking me to enter my email address. And here in this message you can see that we are getting the same name of the user which I have just entered. So by using this chatbot, you can even send personalized messages to your customers. Now let's provide the email address. So here I'm going to enter it, and as I have provided my email address, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my monthly marketing budget. So here I'm going to enter it as 1 lakh. And here I'm getting this confirmation message. And if I do have any queries, then I just have to type it. So here I'm going to type my queries which says, can you manage my social media accounts? Now let's wait for the response. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to see whether we are receiving this data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message consisting the same service selected by my user, the same full name, business name, email, and the marketing budget. And now let's move on towards my Slack to see whether my team is getting a notification regarding this lead or not. So right here you can see that I'm getting this message which says new WhatsApp lead received, and right here we are getting all the details of the lead. So you can see this amazing chatbot which is helping my business to collect the client data, notify to the team instantly regarding this lead, and even this chatbot is going to resolve all the queries of my customer. So this is the way our Pabbly is going to help you to grow your business, because now you don't have to do anything manually, and now your team will instantly get notified about this particular lead and they can follow up them instantly. And you don't need anyone to check the leads received and even collect the data, because this automation is performing all your tasks. So now you can also use this automation tool to grow your business too. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation, which is going to perform multiple functions, whether it's saving the data, interacting with your customers, resolving their queries, or notifying your team regarding this particular lead. So now let me show you how you can also use Pabbly to create this amazing automation. And for that, you just have to move towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow where I have already created this chatbot. And for accessing this page, you have to type the URL that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options. That is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to sign up for free, and if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my flow page. So right here I'm on the flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And here we are getting this trigger. So trigger is the event which is going to initiate our workflow, and here I have selected this event called as keyword rejects match, and right here I have entered this keyword, that is hello. So this is the word which has just initiated my WhatsApp chatbot. So right here you can see this is the keyword which has just initiated our WhatsApp chatbot, and we are going to create this chatbot by using these messages and actions node, which you can think as main building block. And right after this trigger, I have used this text button node, where I have entered this welcome message and created this button. And right after, I have created this list consisting all the services provided by my business, and for that I have used this list node. And the next, I have provided contact custom field to all these list items, so that I can get the response which my user has selected, and can save the data, or can notify my team, or even can send personalized messages. So right here I have provided contact custom field, and for that you have to move towards the actions, where you will see this node, that is set custom field, which I have used here. And for creating your own contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings, where you will see this node, that is contact custom fields, which you have to select, and your contact custom field will be created. And now this contact custom field will help us to send personalized messages too. And here I have entered the same value for which I am creating the contact custom fields. And the next, I have entered this question asking for the full name of my user. And for asking the question, I have used this ask question node. And the next, I have entered this question asking for the business name, where I have used this variable called as full name. So this variable signifies the contact custom field which I have just selected for this question, where I'm asking for the full name of my user. So by using this contact custom field, we are going to send personalized message. And likewise, I have entered some more questions. And right here, I have used this API request node, which you can see over this actions block. And by using this API request node, I'm saving the data for these parameters, such as full name, business email, and the service in which my user is interested, and the marketing budget. And according to these parameters, I have selected the contact custom field. So by using this API request node, I'm connecting this particular flow with an amazing application provided by Pabbly called as Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate varieties of your application. So right here you can see that in my Pabbly Connect, I have already integrated the Pabbly Chatflow, Google Sheet, and Slack, by using which I'm going to fetch the data in Pabbly Chatflow, and afterwards I'm going to save it to the Google Sheet, and I'm going to notify my team about this particular lead. And right here in the Pabbly Connect, you can see that I'm getting this webhook URL, which I have entered in this API request node, by using which we are building the connection between this particular flow and the Pabbly Connect, so that as soon as we are going to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect is going to fetch the response. So as my response is received, I'm saving the data over my Google Sheet. So here I have saved all the data, and the next, I have notified my team regarding this particular newly received lead. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate varieties of applications and can automate your entire task. So right here, by using this API request node, I have connected this flow with the Pabbly Connect, which is saving the data to the Google Sheet and notifying my team regarding this particular lead. And the next, I have entered this confirmation message, and right here I'm asking for the query of my user in this question node. And at last, I'm connecting this question node with this assign AI assistant node, which you can get in this message block. So right here, I'm getting this node by using which I'm assigning AI assistant to this particular question or this particular flow. So now as soon as my user will provide me the query will be resolved by my AI assistant which I have already created. So right here you can see that this is my digital marketing AI assistant which I have created inside Pabbly Chatflow, which can resolve all the queries of my customer, and it is going to respond according to my business details because I have provided it the knowledge base. So right here you can see that this is the knowledge base, basically a document containing the details of my business, according to which my AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries. And here I have started my AI assistant with the client message, means it is going to fetch my user's query and going to respond to them. So this is the way you can create an amazing automation by using which you can grow your business, as this is performing multiple tasks and now you are free from any kind of manual work, whether saving the data, notifying your team, checking the leads, and even resolving the queries of your customer, because this automation is going to perform all these tasks. So now what are you waiting for? If you also want to grow your business, then start using Pabbly right now. And Pabbly is currently offering you the free trial, so make sure to try it. And we are also offering you a discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which will provide you the heaviest discount compared to other coupon codes. So make sure to use it. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.